The 2013-2018 Toyota RAV4 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacement is a simple DIY task. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small pry tool, and about 5 minutes. Signs of a weak battery include reduced signal range. A new battery typically costs $1 to $5 and lasts 2 to 4 years. After replacing, test the fob by unlocking the car from a distance. If issues persist, resync the fob by holding lock-unlock buttons simultaneously near the vehicle. First, use the pry tool to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Insert the tool into the seam and gently twist or lever until the fob pops open. Next, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it sits flush in the compartment. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until they click securely. Finally, test the fob by locking and unlocking your RAV4. Dispose of the old battery responsibly, as lithium batteries are recyclable.